at how DOS destroyed the Eastern Security Network, handed Eastern Security Network to Igbo politicians, to Southeast governors, and all of you are happy that your own region don't have any security of themselves. Why in the north, Fulanis have their Mieti Allah in Akwechiche? Yoruba has their Amotekun in Akwechiche.
And the USB government steps in and now go on another court hearing, and this time around is going to be an appeal to the verdict of the Hamid District Courts in Finland. So that's what is going to be happening. So Simon still have a chance. Our Biafran brothers, we're not going to give up. We're not going to get tired. Nigeria has decided to finish our Finland to the mud, and Alexander Stubb is the first man that will fight Biafra head on.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 2nd of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct from the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV to you. Biafrans, you already heard the news of yesterday being 1st of September in Finland, how the Finnish government convicted Simon Ekpa. They charged Simon Ekpa of tax fraud and some other things, but the way the Nigerian newspaper carried the news, they were jubilating like they have won a lottery visa to United States of America. The way they carried the news, every social media Nigerian network is carrying the news. They were jubilating. They are saying that the government has given Simon Ekpa 12, that have charged Simon Ekpa for terrorism. That Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. But here in this video, Stephen Cross narrates or explained the exact thing. He explained the whole thing. He said here that Simon Ekpa was never convicted because of terrorism charge, that it is based on tax and some other related issues. And he explained and narrates everything concerning the cause, concerning this case of Simon Ekpa, and how the United States of Biafra government is going to appeal. That the next move now is an appeal, that they are going to a higher court to appeal the judgment. So Njemekop also explained to Biafrans that they should not worry, that even if at the end of the day that they succeeded in jailing Simon Ekpa, that men on ground still did their ground.
All right, Biafrans, good afternoon from here. The long-awaited date has come, and most of you has heard what happened in the courts of Finland. Prime Minister was actually given a 6-year sentence, but concurrently that 6 years is not going to be served. Why? Because number one, they said they find him guilty of what is it called now, cyber incitement, and that was just it. So I see a lot of media outlet there trying to twist the narrative that he was involved in terrorist activities in the southeast, which is a very big lie. Biafrans, I want you to understand that the 6 years is just 2 years and probably 4 months. One is that Prime Minister has not committed any crime under any country's watch. Number two is that he was defending Biafra's right. Self-determination in this country is not a crime. And then there is every reasons why this can be appealed. So they have allowed for appeal to be had. So the government is going to appeal for that case and see how far we can come. But because there was no substantial evidence to nail the Prime Minister and to jail him, I've never seen any country that jailed a terrorist or somebody who's said to commit out of terrorism for 6 years, and then 3 years is meant to be served, and he has served concurrently 9 months. So it doesn't add up. So what will add up is when the Deputy Prime Minister and the USB government steps in and now go on another court hearing, and this time around is going to be an appeal to the verdict of the Hamid District Courts in Finland. So that's what is going to be happening. So Simon still have a chance. Our Biafran brothers, we're not going to give up. We're not going to get tired. Nigeria has decided to drag Finland to the mud, and Alexander Stubb is the first man that will fight Biafra head on. And we will see how this is going to end. You know, we don't come here to say things the way it's not. And Adadi Orama, thank you so much. Vam Ogenkere, we thank you people very much. We have seen your handwork. All the evidences you people went to submit against your own person. If you people finish in abroad, should you still come to Biafran land, or you will live in abroad forever? Anyways, that is left for you. But thank you very much. Biafran said I should appreciate you people. Thank you people for your good work. You see this thing that you people did to us. You want to demoralize us. You want to know how downcasted we are going to be. We are not going to give up. We will never give up. Not on this earth we're going to give up. This fight of freedom for Biafra, we will never give up. Not on this planet earth, I'm telling you people. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you believe system is, you can go on and believe it. But Simon Ekpa will come out very, very soon, I'm telling you people. That's 3 years, 6 years is nonsense. I hear a lot of social media is on fire now. Oh, Simon has gone to jail because he was inciting terrorism. He was involved in terrorist attack. He was involved in this. It's all lie. So there's going to be an appeal by the government, and the government is not going to fold their hands and watch this go down. So we still have chances of Simon, our Prime Minister, coming out. So let's just keep it the way it is, and then we'll do the underground work. Thank you so much, Biafrans, from here. I love you guys. See you in my next video.
He calls the DOX, saying that DOX are not happy. Now DOX are the ones that are sabotaging everything. And Makeup has also debunked the news that men on ground are the kidnappers. They are the ones doing all sorts of evil in Biafra land, based on Ebeko Dike, Ikengi Urago, and the rest of DOS members who are accusing them. So, and Makeup here said that their hands are clean, that his team are not in any way doing any atrocity in Biafra land.
Biafrans, greetings, the lovers of freedom. May the Almighty Chukwokika Abiyama continue to strengthen you. Today is 1st of September 2025. Monday, sit at home. I am here to pass a message, a security message to the people of OTOT, such as Almoke, Oge, Bandre, Isiokwe, and some parts of Ezinnachi. This message is for you. But before I proceed, I want to still remind Biafrans that more prayers are needed for the quick recovery of our generals who has been poisoned by the enemies of Biafrans. I want to ask Igbo leaders this question. You are calling the men on the ground a terrorist. What are you calling Fulanis that are using their cow to invade, to destroy people's farmland, what do you call them? What do you call the Fulanis in the bush killing people, even eating them in the bush? What do you call them? What do you call those who uses masks to cover their face and come up on social media talking trash? What do you call them? What did you call the Nigerian politicians who are killing Igbo people, who are killing Biafrans? What did you call them? And you did not call them bad names. None of you comes on social media to condemn the atrocities of the rape caused by Fulanis, of the killing of our people caused by Fulanis. You don't even want to talk against them. Then, let me ask you, you that is condemning Major General Gento the Yahoo, you that is blackmailing Major General Gento the Yahoo, let me ask you, are you innocent? Are you a righteous one? Is your hand clean? Are you 100% of innocence? Are you out of wickedness? Let me ask you, you that are parading yourself. I love Igbos. I don't want this. What have you contributed on the eradication of Fulanis? Remember, when we talk about Fulanis now, those Fulani who uses cow to destroy our farmland, they are no more using cow now. They are now in the armor tanker. They are now in military uniform. They are now with the machine guns. They are now with the GPNG. They are now with the sophisticated weapons in order to destroy you and your own people, and you are on social media blackmailing against those who are fighting to protect the land against the Fulani invaders. And when the men on the ground will come on war front, confronted Fulanis in military uniform that are still killing you people. Now you people, you the same you will still come on social media and condemn the men on the ground. Then who are you? Are you not a hypocrite? Are you not the real problem that the Igbo land is having? Look at how DOS destroyed the Eastern Security Network, handed Eastern Security Network to Igbo politicians, to Southeast governors. And all of you are happy that your own region don't have any security of themselves. Why in the north, Fulanis have their Mieti Allah in Akwechi Echiche? Yoruba has their Amotekun in Akwechi Echiche. Which security do you have? The Ebubago that you go and gang up the criminals that you form and call it Ebubago security outfit. They are the ones that are leading Fulanis to invade our communities, and you are not saying anything.
We use this opportunity also to remind our Biafran people that the release of Mazen Nandekalo is going to stop all these things that is going on in Biafran land. As Mazen Nandekalo is going to appear in court next coming month, let's keep fingers across and let's keep praying that there will be a free news that Mazen Nandekalo has been released, so that Biafrans will be free of all this that is going on in Biafra land. Biafrans can be able to detect who is who. Enough is enough of all this lie. They have lied to us a lot.
Remember, My information today, being the 1st of September, is for the people, particularly OTOT, the communities. Then if you know, in these communities now, look at the information now. The information for the people of OTOT, such as Omar Lumoke, Ogi, Bandre, Ishokwe, and some part of Ezinachi, this Uchechi, the so-called criminal leader of the defunct red and black ranting idiots that come up on social media to make noise, to challenge the gods, to challenge his maker. And after the conquest, after the confrontation, the guy now has the youth of Umualumoke and their villages, the youth of Oge and their particular kindreds, the youth of Bandre, Arondizog, communities that is in that axis. Please be security conscious. Isiokwe youths and the different kindreds and some parts of Ezinachi and Uchechi from Ezinachi compiled the names of these youths from different communities that messed up OTOT. And there is a meeting that's currently going on now that the Nigerian DSS, together with the Fulanis, terrorists in military uniform, police, the Nigerian National Forest Guard or something, they are now in a combined meeting, coming together to invade OTOT. And I want to use this opportunity to let Ezinachi community to understand that Ezinachi is writing their names in the history of saboteurs, a history that can never be removed. So I know that in that Ezinachi there are still good people. Please, I want the people, the good people of that Ezinachi, to take action, because I don't see the reason why Ezinachi will now rise in order to destroy the youth of Omar Lumoke, in order to destroy the youth of Oge, in order to destroy the youth of the Bandre, around this in that axis, in order to destroy the youth and the people of Ishokwe, and also to destroy the youth, some part of the youth of Ezinachi that are not in support of the Ebubago criminal recruited agents that was recruited by the Nigerian Tiger Base and DSS under the watch of Ebe Kodike, the betrayer of his own people. So, this message is coming to you from the office of Major General Gento de Yahoo. And the Gento de Yahoo is telling you openly that he is for your own security, that you should debunk any propaganda that is against him, that by the grace of Chukwukika Abiyama, the Almighty God will strengthen him, will give him life, and restore his health. Please, I am here now in order to let Biafrans to understand there's another plan for Nigerian terrorist government to invade OTOT, because their criminal agents who didn't succeed on the suicide mission that was given to them by the Ebe Kodike and DOS, because he has failed, and he has come out full to destroy his own people. So I want those who are supporting these criminals, those red and red criminals, those who are supporting him, I want them to understand the exposition of their evil agenda. Remember, my work is to protect you by giving you first-hand information so that you will get yourself and be security conscious, because Gentle the Yahoo don't want to lose any soul in Okigwe. But if you are a criminal or a kidnapper, or you are using the name of the Gentle or the picture of Gentle on social media or Facebook in order to defraud people, please, Gentle the Yahoo is now here. Now the Biafra Defense Forces is here now, warning you to desist, because if you don't desist, the spirit of Biafra will expose you, no matter whom you are and no matter where you are. We are whiter than white. Gentle the killer remains innocent of every propaganda by the enemies, and there's no propaganda that can stop us. Take this message to your loved ones until it reaches to the people of OTOT. And there are politicians in that axis that are supervising these killings against their own people. Ndubeze, Patrick Ndubeze, why, let me put it, why do you accept for the Nigerian terrorist government to invade your own community, to kill your own people, to kill the same people that you are representing, and you are guiding them and giving them the go ahead to invade your own community? Senator Patrick Ndubisi, what is going on? Are you the one now killing your own people? The world is watching.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Chicks TV, for we remain the best. Please share this video. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Let there be peace in Biafra land. Let there be peace in Biafra land. Let there be peace in Biafra land. Let there be peace, yo. We all love you. Bye.